With contradictory reports emerging on Mumbai 13/7 blasts probe, the Home Ministry was today quick to deny reports that it was upset with the disclosures made by the Maharashtra ATS. But that still did not clear the air on who the real Naqi Ahmed is. Is he the conspirator that the Maharashtra ATS claims or the informer for the special cell of the Delhi police?
Despite contradictions on the claims of the Maharashtra ATS on 13/7 blast, the Union Home Ministry has welcomed the findings.
We are quite happy, we're very happy that they have solved the case, they've cracked the case. The reports that we are unhappy is entirely incorrect.
But while the Maharashtra ATS calls this man, Naqi Ahmed, a conspirator, the Delhi Police Special Cell believes he is their informer.
It is true that the IB and the Delhi police were running an operation in which this fellow was an informer. That does not preclude the fact that he could have been or was involved in the bomb blast. The ATS has come to that conclusion after investigations.
But questions are now being raised whether the main conspirator had given the investigators a slip.
हमारे हिसाब से हमारे साथ ज्यादती की जा रही है, नाइंसाफी की जा रहा है, क्योंकि स्पेशल सेल वालों ने कमिटमेंट किया था कि आपकी बस थोड़ी सी है, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि ये गलत हो रहा है हमारे साथ, बहुत गलत हो रहा है.
Maharashtra ATS may claim that it has got its two key conspirators in the 13/7 blast investigation, but questions are being raised whether in this one-upmanship between the Delhi Police Special Cell and the Maharashtra ATS, the two planters of the bomb and the main accused have slipped away.
In Bihar, from where the two men were arrested, there is a sense of disbelief.
ये हम कैसे कहें कि भाई कहाँ था, क्या था, वो हम तो यहाँ रहते हैं, हमको क्या पता.
While the ATS claims it has cracked the case, questions still remain whether this man is a terrorist or an informer. Bureau Report, Times Now.